Want to know how to disable or enable notification in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Dragon Ball Z game, or you can just simply install it first. We have consecrated a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here you should be provided with various options. So if you are opening up the game for the first time, there should be a default way to ask permission for notifications. So if you have denied it, you can just simply re-enable it again. So for that, just simply hold on to this app icon right here and head towards app info or its app settings from the phone. So once you have done that, you should be provided with various options. Now here, scroll all the way down until you see notifications. So just simply select notification right here and your notification window should open up. And once that is done, here you should be seeing show notifications. So you can just simply enable it just like this. So you can also see all the notification permissions which you can enable or disable just like this, and that's it. So simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.